Guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Veldog, and this is my kitchen, where I make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you how to make the best amazing steak ever. So tune in to what I'm about to do. This steak, I put it in the refrigerator for about 3 days. Now why I did it is because I wanted to dry out all the moisture, okay? And I seasoned it. I put a teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of black pepper. And I let this marinate it for over 3 days on a plate with a paper towel on it, okay? So that's what I did. And I didn't put any salt on it because I'm going to put the salt on it now, because when you put the salt on it, it just drains out all the moisture in the meat, and you don't want to do that. Okay, I'm going to put some salt on it now, which you will be needing. I should be saying that if you want to, this is your option. But I'm going to use some mushrooms, some portobello mushroom. I got 2 cloves of garlic. I got a half an onion and a half a bell pepper, and I also have butter right here. I have some Himalayan sea salt, and I have some olive oil, and that's what I'm gonna be doing. So stay tuned in. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started. What I did, I put some olive oil in this pan. I'm gonna turn my stove on to like medium to get it started. Okay, we're gonna get our steak. We're gonna sit that bad boy right over here, and when that warm up, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting I'm gonna sear my steak. I'm gonna be searing my steak probably 2 minutes on each side. Okay, so stay tuned in. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and get my steak. Lay it in there. I ain't gonna even mess with that. Just gonna lay it in there and let it get brown. So when that steak, by a minute, I'm gonna put some butter in there. So we're just gonna let that steak cook. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you, I put some of this pink sea salt on there, the Himalayan sea salt. And what I'm going to do is take this rosemary that I forgot to tell you guys about. I'm going to go ahead and just stick that in there. I'm going to take these 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to go ahead and stick those in there. And all this does is give it more flavor. So we'll take this butter. This is a half a stick of butter. I'm going to take half of that and put that in there. Okay. Let's check on our steak, see if it's getting brown. So just lift it up and check on it. Looks like it's getting brown, so I'm going to turn that over. We're going to scoot it over some. So we're going to take our herbs and stuff. We're going to start basting it. So be very careful when you baste them, because sometimes you can hit this or whatever, the meat, and then kick back. So yeah, you want to just let that sear a little bit. sure we have some up under the bottom. Just applying a little pressure right here because this piece sticking up. So might be 2 minutes in. So what we're going to do, check it out again. It's just browning. It's not quite ready. So we're going to give us some of that nice flavor up under the steak. You may want to use some tongs because you don't want to poke your steak. Don't want to do that. That's the last thing you want to do. When you poke that steak, you get rid of all the natural juices. So you want to add up some more butter. Just keep basting. And what this butter does, it allows them garlic not to burn. And add a ton of flavor to the steak. Just brown on this side. Make sure you get it brown evenly. And let's check that steak out. See what it's doing. Okay. Looking good. So I want to bake that side as well. You can take the garlic if you want to. Just sit it on top. Okay. Keep basting. Okay. We always move at 2 minutes on that side. Remember, I told you I'm going to cook it 2 minutes on each side. So I do like a minute. You got it breaking apart. So you can take these steaks, flip it on the side, try to feel some of that fat. salty too. That on top. Burn a little bit, which is okay. All we're gonna do is just keep on basting. Okay, I'm gonna let that cook about another minute. Then I'm gonna take it over there and let it cool off. So you may need a cooling rack if you want one. Go get one. I paid like $2 for this. So you can get you a cooling rack and sit that steak up on it and let it rest for about good 10-15 minutes. Alright? Okay, I'm back. Take this steak. Just let it sit right there. 15-20 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back. The steak is still resting. What I did was I cleaned my skillet out and saved some of that butter because I want to do my vegetables. That one fell in there. It's not hot yet. So I'm just letting you guys know what I'm about to do. Okay? So I'm going to let this go ahead and get hot. Then show you how to cook those up. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and start out with my bell peppers. Throw those up in there. Put my onions in there. Take me some tongs. Break some of them onions up. Or you can break them up before you put them in there. They're gonna come loose anyway, but okay. Starting to break down. So that's when I want to start throwing my mushrooms in there. These are portobello mushrooms. You don't have to get portobello. You can get any other kind you want. But I'm using portobello today. Put a little sea salt in it. Just a little bit. Give it a little flavor to it. Okay. I like my vegetables to have a little texture to it, so you want to cook yours a little longer, you can. You let this cook for about 10 minutes. Not 10 minutes, but about about 2 more minutes. Then I'm going to take those out. And I'm going to go ahead and start plating my stuff up. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, I cut my meat up. Look how tender that is. Sorry, my phone is ringing. Okay guys, I'm done. Here's my steak. So do like, don't hesitate to subscribe to the best steak in 2019. Cooking with Veil Dog. Let's get it.